Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert and the game keeps crashing after update, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert crashing on your computer after updating easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Steam, and now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the Crimson Desert and you're going to go into properties, you're going to go into install files, and here you're going to click verify integrity of game files on Crimson Desert and make sure the game's files are verified. Once you're done with that, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data. Now you're going to go into local, and here you're going to look for the folder called Pearl Abyss. So just scroll down, here it is, Pearl Abyss, open it up, go into this folder, and then you're going to go into save, and then you'll have this file here, user engine option save. Now what you're going to do is you're going to either rename this file to anything else or just you're going to delete this file. Don't worry, this file regenerates whenever you launch the game. This file stores your graphics settings, so just delete or rename this file. After that, you can go ahead and try to play the game. If that doesn't work for you, then the next thing you can do is you can try to update your graphic card's drivers. So you're going to open up your web browser. I'll show you NVIDIA first, afterwards I'll show you AMD. So you're going to go on to nvidia.com, click on to drivers here, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to fill in this form. Click find then, and it will find the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for your computer. Once it's done finding your driver, you're going to go ahead and download the latest driver and install it on your computer. Once you're done with that, now you can try playing the game. I'll show you AMD now. So just go on to amd.com, go into resources and support, click drivers, scroll down, fill in this form, select your graphics card, click submit, select your operating system, click download on the latest driver and download and install it. Once you're done with installing the latest drivers, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play the game, you'll see that your game will now work. It will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.